Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Benkei. Today, I would like to show you how to apply green card to the United States. This picture shows on the left is the flag, at the bottom right is a sample of the green card. Sometimes we also call it permanent resident. Let's go to the official website for the green card application called uscis.gov government. So it's the official website for Department of Homeland Security. So let's go to the green card. Then green card eligibility. As you can see, there are multiple categories you can apply green card as long as you can meet their criteria. A green card through family, green card through employment, green card as a special immigrant, green card through refugee or asylee status, green card for human trafficking and crime victims, green card for victim abuse, green card through other categories, green card through registry. So I will give you a series of videos to talk about each of those categories. But today I want to go with green card through employment. So for this type, there are three subcategories: immigrant worker, physician national interest waiver, and immigrant investor. So today, my focus will be immigrant worker. I will talk about these two later in other videos. For immigrant worker, there are three preferences called the first preference, second preference, and the third preference. Let's go and get the details. As you can see, the first preference, also called EB-1, the second preference called EB-2, the third preference called EB-3. So today, in this video, I will talk EB-1 specifically. As you can see, for EB-1, we have three types called extraordinary ability, outstanding professors and researchers, certain multinational manager or executive. But in this video, I will talk about these two because they are called, this one called EB-1A, this one called EB-1B, because they are the very common green card category that for students, especially for those foreign students studying in the United States. Okay, for EB-1A here, you must demonstrate extraordinary ability in multiple fields like science, art, education, technology, business, or athletics through sustained national international claim. So let's go to detail evidence or criteria. Say you must meet three, at least three of 10 criteria below, or provide evidence of one-time achievement like a Pulitzer, Oscar, Olympic medal, as well as evidence showing that you will be continue to work in the area of your expertise. Also, there is no need for offer letter. There is no need for labor certification. They are also important. This means you don't have to be in the United States, which means you could apply this category even you are outside of the United States, like Japan, Singapore, or Germany, and like so. If you meet those criteria, you can apply directly. So let's go let's go check the 10 criteria here. Okay. Here are the 10 criteria. They receipt. If you have some receipt that national or international recognized prize award, you're a member of some association that demanding achievement of their members. You have some publications in the professional, like journals or major media that you judge the work of others, like you work as a paper reviewer, right? Like you have original scientific, scholar, artistic, athletic, or business-related contributions. That you are author for multiple scholar articles. Your work has been displayed at artistic exhibitions or showcases. Your performance of a leading or critical role in distinguished organizations. That you command a higher salary in the field. And your commercial success in performing arts. So for majority of the students, may not be like a international prize winner, like a Pulitzer or Nobel Prize. But you could use the 10 evidence here to show that you qualify for this category. You need to show that at least 3. The more, the better, right? So let's go to EB-1B. It's called Outstanding Professor and Researchers. This one is a little bit easier than the EB-1A. Here, the description are like demonstrate international recognition for your field, academic field, at least 3 years experience in teaching or research. You must be entering the United States in order to pursue a tenure or tenure track research position in university, institution of higher education, or private employer. So this one, you are asked to meet at least 2 of 6 criteria. Plus, you need to provide an offer. That means you need to have an offer. For the first one, you don't need the offer letter, right? But there is no labor certificate is required, so you don't need a labor certification for this category. Let's go to the criteria. Okay, 6th criteria. Evidence that for major prize, award, for outstanding achievement, membership of association that require the member to demonstrate outstanding achievement, published materials, like as a judge to the work of others, academically, as a panel, original scientific scholar research contributions at your publications, authorship of scholar books, articles. So this one is relatively easier than the first category, EB-1A. Okay, thank you. That's all I have today for EB-1A and EB-1B.